and they're off. That's Bronte Anna's Boy and Say It Out Loud both going for the lead. From the inside, Ellis Orchard Winner now accelerates some. Into the turn they go, and Bronte Anna's Boy has the early lead, but up on the outside is Say It Out Loud, and Say It Out Loud moves up on the outside and takes over the point. Along the inside, Bronte Anna's Boy get to push a little. Followed in third by Ellis Orchard Winner. Nathan Taves comes away in fourth, as clearing after 3/16 of a mile was Say It Out Loud. Pacing in fifth as they head to the quarter is Sebastian. That quarter was timed in 29-1. Out of the turn and up the backstretch they go. Say It Out Loud leads at a length and a quarter. Bronte Anna's Boy is second. Ellis Orchard Winner is third, as Luke Plano's giving Say It Out Loud a breather. Nathan Taves is fourth. Sebastian is fifth. Inside six in the ghetto. First up from last is Double Dakota and the trailer Fork in the Road. They've paced 7/16 of a mile, and Say It Out Loud pacing comfortably on top a length and a quarter. Bronte Anna's Boy is second. From fourth, here comes Nathan Taves. Half was through in a minute and a fifth. A soft 31-second second quarter for Say It Out Loud, who leads at a length and a half. Nathan Taves first up on the rim. Bronte Anna's Boy locked in the box third. Sebastian well placed second over in fourth with live cover. Ellis Orchard Winner locked in fifth. In the ghetto, third over sixth. Then on the inside, on the outside, that's Double Dakota. Then on the inside, in the ghetto, last over Fork in the Road. It's Say It Out Loud on the inside. At his throat latches Nathan Taves. 3/4, 1:29-4, 29-3 for the third quarter. They're in the stretch. The leader by a length, and drifting out a little was Say It Out Loud. On the outside, Nathan Taves. Up the inside, trying to gain is Bronte Anna's Boy. Angling is Ellis Orchard Winner. 16th of a mile to go. Say It Out Loud still there. Nathan Taves is surging. Far outside is Ellis Orchard Winner. Here's the wire. Very tight. Was it Nathan Taves or was it Say It Out Loud? Tight between those two in 1:58-2.